Today I want to share with you guys from Woosh the fold out face palette that I received in the mail. This is amazing. This is wonderful. Let's get to it. As you can see, there are several different colors, several different shades, everything. You have everything from your foundation. You have your eyeshadow, eyeliner, brow definer, concealer and foundation, shape-shifting contours. You have blushers, magic airbrushing blenders. This is an amazing palette. Let's take a look. This is a very solid, sturdy palette. This is really cool, you guys. Once you open it, you will see everything in it that you need that I just mentioned. If you take a look inside this palette, it has everything that you need. My whole entire face was done by what's in this palette, but I had to cut down on time, so I did it before I filmed. So, as you can see, all of the makeup that you need. It comes with a handy dandy mirror, so when you're out and about and you want to do some touch-ups, well, there you go. This is really something. I love this by Woosh. I love it. You guys have to check it out. It comes with a kabuki brush and a blusher brush. And I'm going to tell you, a blending brush. And they are numbered. So it basically tells you which makeup you use with which brush. So as you can see in here, it's going to tell you which one you're going to use with which brush. This is pretty cool. This is really nice. The makeup in here is just wonderful. You have some nice contours. You have some gorgeous foundation colors. The blender is amazing. You have just so many amazing colors. Here's some contours right here and perfectors. Now, as you can see, these colors right here, my whole face was done using this palette, and it's amazing. It looks very natural, and I love it. This is really a great palette, well worth the money. I believe they have a special going on, but again, it comes with these amazing little brushes, and they're numbered, so it tells you exactly what you need to use and where. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to drop a link under the video to this makeup palette. Again, that's the Fold Out Face palette by Woosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review video. I love this, and it goes in my purse with me wherever I go. I'll see you guys next time.